Hello and welcome to this How to Become a Successful Dog Trainer course, where I'll take you through the entire process of setting up a professional dog training business. Now, my name is Sharon Bolt and I'm the founder of Good Dogs. I'm a dog training expert who has been featured in more than 35 different newspapers, magazines, TV and radio stations, and I have a regular slot on BBC Radio Sussex and Surrey, where I give advice to the numerous listeners' doggy dilemmas. Now, this course is for people who dream of working with dogs and would like to start building a dog training business in their spare time. It's also for people who already work in the dog industry, such as dog walkers, groomers, pet sitters, etc., who would like to add professional dog trainer to their services, as well as for people who are already dog trainers who would like to add more knowledge and dog training methods to their toolkit. This course is also designed for people who would like more in-depth dog training knowledge so they can best support their own dogs. Now, throughout the course, you'll discover that my training methods include positive reinforcement techniques combined with how to convince your dog that you are the pack leader. Now, my methods are kind and gentle and get great results fast. Now, because my goal is for you to get the knowledge, confidence and dog training methods that you need to have a successful dog training business as quickly as possible, I'll show you step by step what to do in order to resolve unwanted behaviours, such as pulling on the leash, barking at the front door or back garden or yard, dog aggression and separation anxiety. Now, I'll also show you how to quickly toilet train a puppy, the best method for crate training, and how to stop a puppy chewing and biting the wrong items, as well as how to select the right puppy and choose a really good breeder. Now, you'll also discover the answers to 10 of the most common puppy and dog training questions so that you know what to say when you have a client that has difficulty with one or more of them. Plus, you'll learn how to professionally run a dog training business, what to include during a dog training consultation with a client, plus what to include when writing confirmation and agreement letters with templates for you to mould specifically to your business. So in a nutshell, this course is for you if you'd like the knowledge, confidence and dog training methods you need in order to start your own dog training business, or have more in-depth knowledge about dogs. Thank you for your interest in my How to Become a Successful Dog Trainer course. I hope that you're as excited as I am because I can't wait to share these methods with you. So if you're ready to learn more and sign up for the course right now, then click on the Take This Course button. And I look forward to seeing you in the course.